the real Korean food. Enjoy! Thank you, Lord! Street food. Street. Welcome to Myeongdong. Hi, make a shout out. Another subscriber. Hi. Hey. Lobat na kaming lahat. Lobat cellphone. Lobat na din kami literally. Pagod na.
안녕, 가이브랑 So ngayon, pupunta kami ng
Royal Palace.
Royal Palace
Para?
para mag-try ng handbook,
Yeah.
mag-rent.
Are you excited?
Nag-ipit na kami. Kasi
Wow.
hindi na mag-extra bayad.
Oy, very good naman, no? Galing, no? Sinong gumawa ng hair nyo?
Tita Kim.
O, nag-thank you kayo?
Yes.
Okay, dali, show your hair na. Ay, 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 ay. Ay. Okay, may kasama kaming tourist from Mexico. Hindi niya alam saan siya pupunta eh. Sit na, sit. Okay. Hi. Okay, handbook rental. Second floor tayo. Let's go. Before going to the palace, we're going to rent handbook muna. Choose na ate. Gusto mo yung light?
Yeah.
Feeling ko mas okay to. Ate, pilian mo si tita.
Lagi sa'yo.
O sige.
Yan.
Yan na lang.
Between the two.
Ito na lang siguro. Ito, to. O sige. Okay.
Para siyang queen.
Okay, sige, sige. Si kuya pipili na. Oh, help natin si kuya. Ay, parang maganda to kuya.
Ito.
O, sige kung ano yung pili nila ng mga sisters mo. Okay.
Ano gusto mo, kuya? Magustuhan ka ng mga
In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night.
Oo nga, no? Perfect. Wow! Alam nyo to, netizens, ang tagal ko na sa Korea, first time ko mag-rent ng hanbok. Although, hindi ko first time magsuot ng hanbok. Madaming beses nang nakapagsuot. Nung prenup, nung kasal, nung birthday ni Abuji. Pero masaya ako na may ganito akong moment with my nephew and nieces. Lahat kami first time. Samahan nyo kami ngayong araw na to. Diyan lang kayo. Wait, changing of guards. May performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, guard duty performance will take place in a few minutes. To enjoy this event, please remain behind the standing line.
Guys, bumalik na.
Ang nangyari, tita?
Okay lang. Hinangin. Okay na.
The guards are now marching for their duty change, guided by assistant commanders on both sides. The gate guards are now forming military formations to carry out the military inspection. Some of the guards can be
Stop na po yung Okay. Kapag naka-handbook ka, free admission na. Let's go. One more. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Walang ganyan, prinsesa.
Ganda. Sige ate, pose.
May retouch pa talaga naman. Wow! Ay!
Ay, naku, time na.
Bilis! Ay! Okay.
Ganda na ba, guys?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
내가 프린세스? 아니지. 나는 여왕이야.
Ngayon pa lang kami papasok sa loob. Le, ang tawag sa lugar na to is Royal Palace. Dito nakatira ang hari at reyna before.
Dito wala na bang hari?
Wala na.
Hindi na yun uso.
Wala na.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time.
Hanbok.
Kaso
Ganda.
lang, ang traditional natin, barong.
Kaya nga.
Oo, yung maganda yung kulay, oh.
Bagay sa'yo kuya yung kulay. Bagay.
Kulay yung lasa.
Oo.
I'll bring you flowers, girl. Enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this time.
Kuya, how was your experience wearing hanbok?
Happy. I get to experience wearing hanbok.
Me too.
For pang ilang times ko na ba?
Pang third mo lang to,
Pang
kuya.
third.
Oo, first time yun, no? Okay. Nagandahan ka ba doon, Le? Okay, kain na tayo. Let's go! Uhaw na uhaw kami. Ilang oras na walang tubig. Bilis, water. Sobrang uhaw na. Dito tayo.
Wala ka po, Antita.
This is Sejong Dewang. Siya ang gumawa ng Hangul, yung Korean characters. Okay. Hi! We're going to eat lunch. Okay, let's eat everyone. Kain tayo. Okay, this is the real Korean food. Enjoy! Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Tito Alex! Cheers! 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 Okay. Kuya, masarap yung food. Init, careful ha. It's hot ha. Careful. Thank you so much kay Alex. Masarap ang lunch namin.
Lunch, tita. Merienda na natin to.
Late.
Ano?
Late.
Lunch, early dinner.
Oh, yun. Nabusog? Yes. Bili kami ng cold drinks. Choose na. Anong gusto? Thank you so much, my love. Cheers, kuya. Naghanap ng CR sila Tita Kim. Kanina pa sila nawawala. Ha? O, ayan na. Tagal namin naghintay sa kanila.
Just a little.
Nakaihi ka, Le?
Take me along the way.
We're gonna walk going to Myeongdong. Hulaan nyo kung ano yung building na yan.
SM.
Ha?
SM.
SM?
JP Morgan.
Ano?
JP Morgan.
Ganun no, may nakumba ko.
Seoul City Hall.
Tita, syempre tita, hindi naman niya alam.
Welcome to Myeongdong.
I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night.
Make sure na kapag nagpunta kayo sa Myeongdong,
Kuya.
i-visit nyo din ang Myeongdong Cathedral sa mga Katoliko, ha?
Kuya, Riven na tayo.
Le, kaya pa. Ay!
Nagro na kayo sa'yo.
Ay! Ay! Ay, naku. Gagapang ka na ba paakyat? Kaya mo pa yan, Le. Kaya pa. Kaya pa?
Ay, guys!
Oh. Guys, ano sasabihin mo sa kanila? Ha? Pagod ka na. Si Jesus is in our hearts.
Look, yun na.
Let's go inside. Oo, basta.
That girl is a runner. She was born to get away. Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming.
Sumunod si Ijun sa amin eh. No Academy.
Ayaw niya ata kasama sila nanay, guys.
Posible. Kaya sumama. 7-Eleven break. Ayan o, chocolate. Left, ice sparkling yung binili niya.
All the girls with pretty mouths, they always
Try mo. O kuya, try mo daw. Dalawa yung straw.
follow you in cars and bars and even on airplanes. I'm special, yeah, I'm special, cause they just don't got, oh, they just don't got what I.
Kuya, sarap. Adelno mo masarap.
I'm someone you can take home, meet your mom and pop. You trash your little cupcake, dressed in polka dots. Be a loudmouth Yankee lady, baby. You're
Patry mo
just
din
the
kay Tita Kim
that
dali.
you're looking for. It's gonna take time to get there.
Ayun, chocolate to.
It's gonna take some time. I wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time. You wanna make it last.
Oh, sing now to me, baby. Won't you sing to me your name? I've been looking for something crazy. I've been looking for something.
Okay lang. Welcome to Myeongdong. Ang kulit mo ate, kaya.
What's that?
Ooh! What's that? Oh, ano yan? Cute yan, cute, no? Shout out po family mo. Hello po, Philomena and Bilog family. Hi! Mega shout out! Annyeong! Uy, nice meeting you! Oo, ingat.
po. Thank you po.
Bye!
Enjoy po.
Enjoy!
Parang ano to? Quiapo.
Dali.
Tito, thank you for bringing me here.
Ah, talaga?
Nag-enjoy ako.
Wow.
Masakit, pero masakit na yung palad mo.
Talampakan.
Sabi niya kanina. Tita, masakit na yung ano ko. Ano yun? Palad ko. Pero,
Tita,
yung yung sa paa daw. Sabi ko, sa talampakan yun, hindi palad. Oo, yan yun, Le. Gerbo. Thank you to yan. Okay. Ito yung mga popular street food. Dumplings, hot dog, tteokbokki, and fish cake. Nakakatuwa kasi ilang to netizens ang damit ko ngayon dito sa Seoul. Anyway, thank you so much sa lahat ng netizens na na-meet namin today. Nice meeting you all.
namit na. Mga pera na gusto ko ngayon.
Patingin,
Anong ilang won to?
10,000 won, 50,000 won, 5,000 won. So, alin dyan yung pinaka gusto mo?
This one.
The yellow one? Is that your favorite color now?
Yes.
Oh!
Actually,
What?
my favorite.
Ay, meron ng nag-chocolate na naman ah. Oh,
Ate.
asan sila ate?
Money.
Oh, Kuya Agent,
Do you want this?
do you want money? Mommy or money? Ah, okay. May free taste. Oh, spicy try. Free taste, free taste. Careful ka baka
Para siyang bulldog.
Ah,
Ang sarap. Yeah, tita. For bringing us here.
okay.
Oh, cute.
Once that 12,000. The once that 10,000.
Another subscribers! Hi! Ay, hi po, hi! Hi po, hi! Ang hover na lang.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
Dito tayo. Motion hindi! Oh! Oh! Hey! Okay, okay. Sa? Okay, okay. Ay, okay. Bibili si tita. Bunga pang. Anong gusto nyo? Red beans and cream? Yan. Ito yan. Popular na street food. Kamsahamnida! Okay. We're going to try topping potatoes. Ang in-order namin is spicy mayo.
Puro maanghang guys.
Ayan, nagbigay siya ng ano, libreng hindi maanghang. Thank you. Ne, kamsahamnida. Ay, very bait nila. Kamsahamnida.
Upa ka.
Kumapsamnida. After Myeongdong, pupunta na kami sa Cheonggyecheon Stream. Sama na kayo. Lobat na kaming lahat. Lobat cellphone. Lobat na din kami literally. Pagod na. Nandito na kami sa Cheonggyecheon Stream. Mag-hi na kay Tita Dali. Hi! Heart, heart, heart!
Wanna clear a bottle, a cabinet. Wanna stay home, not even.
Seoul Outdoor Library. Pwedeng tumambay dito habang nagbabasa ng libro.
Wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be
Come back,
sing
Ellie.
something like the
The other side.
Le, dandan madulas ka.
Hi!
천천히 뛰지 말고.
Oh, don't run down.